What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another episode of Does It Match? The show that introduces you to which battery is your perfect match. Today, we're slowing things down a bit and kicking it old school with the Redcat 64. The Redcat 64 is a 10th scale replica of the 64 Chevy Impala and is a fully functioning hopping lowrider. And today we're going to show you the best batteries to use so that you can maximize the performance, runtime, and the best ones to balance the weight. So, enough talking about it. Let's get to it. Now, for this video, we'll be going over 3 different batteries that are used to power the vehicle and one that will actually be powering the accessories. Our batteries today do range from a nickel metal hydride battery and 2S LiPo batteries. And the reason we're actually showcasing this nickel metal hydride battery is that the Redcat 64 was designed with the weight of one of these batteries in mind in order to aid the hopping motion of the car by making sure that the tail end of the car is supported by this weight. With that being said, the stock battery included is only at 3,800 milliamps per hour. So to maximize the use of the weight and to gain some runtime, we're actually showcasing our Zac 5,000 milliamp per hour nickel metal hydride battery. Then this battery does come with a Tamiya style plug, which Redcat has included an adapter for in the box, making this option a plug and play. The next batteries we will be working with is the 6500 2S LiPo battery and the 4000 2S Redline battery. Now, in order to get the next 2 batteries to work, it's going to take a little bit of modification that can easily be done at home with the proper tools or by a local hobby shop of your choice. We'll be taking the included jumper that comes with the 64 and cutting off the Tamiya style plug on one side. Then we'll be soldering on bullet connectors to the ends. Keep in mind that this does not include the balance plug, which is needed in order to balance charge the battery. So charging with the battery's included adapter is recommended. The first battery we're going to be showing off is our Redline 4000 battery. Now, I know what you're thinking. We just spent all this time talking about the necessary weight for hopping that is needed, and now we're showing you a battery that is half the size and the weight of the previous ones. Well, this battery would be best used by scale builders out there who are wanting to put scale accessories into the trunk, like speakers, pumps, things like that. This battery fits in the included compartment meant for the steel plates under the chassis that are meant to replicate a full-sized fuel cell. We'll need to run 90-degree bullet plugs in order for this to fit properly, but the included plugs can be used with some minor modifications as seen here. And there we have it. As you can see, our Redline battery is now securely in the battery placement, connecting with those bullet connectors. The size of this battery does give you a lot of flexibility on how to use it and where to place it. The third battery we'll be using will be the 6500 LiPo. Is pretty close to the stock battery weight. And the great part is that with a 6500 milliamp capacity, this battery will keep you running way longer than the stock nickel metal hydride battery on a single charge, without sacrificing too much in terms of weight for the hopping purposes. But that can be adjusted for with the included plates that Redcat has provided. Well, thank you for coming to another Does It Match. We hope that you had a lot of fun learning more about the Redcat 64 and actually how many batteries can be installed in this thing. It gives you a lot of freedom. You might be wondering why we have all these lights dragged across the top of this. Well, this is teased in the very next episode. The next episode for the Redcat 64, we're actually going to be showing you how to install these light fixtures into the vehicle itself and how to power them with a Zac battery. So keep your eyes peeled for that. That will be coming out soon. So thank you again for stopping by for another Does It Match. My name is Zach. Please give us that like. Comment on where you'll be putting your batteries in this Redcat 64. Which setup did you like the most? Drop that below. Don't forget to give us that subscribe, and please share this video. Get the word out that we're doing these things. So, as always, we'll be seeing you next time. Bye-bye.